Juju's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own sweet way. Come along and join her, don't you wanna stay?
Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. Okay, it is December time, and today is the 12th, and it is Bookmark and Black and White. Now, I didn't do the 11th, least favorite ephemera and bookbinder's art, cause I wasn't putting my least favorite ephemera in my book and messing it up. Just wasn't gonna do it, so I just skipped it. So we have Bookmark and Black and White. So I did this. For my black and white, I printed a page picture of the bridge, Bonnie's bridge, that she and I went and visited when we were there. And I just love this side view picture of it where it goes across the water. That was just gorgeous to me. So I printed it out for a page in black and white and then left it so I could journal on it. So that is the black and white page. And then for this side, I did a bookmark, and I did this. And it is a sunflower wallpaper that I kind of fussy cut around the sunflower there. And then it is a napkin curl journal card that's attached to it. And then the back of that. And it's got the little bling on the back of this. And then on this side, I put the little butterfly to go with that, and the yellow button to stick out for the bookmark up there. And that is my bookmark and my black and white. Kind of simple, but look what it looks so pretty sticking out there. Look at that. Oh gosh, this is looking so good. All this stuff sticking out everywhere. Just look at it. It's starting to look so good. I know Bonbon's probably gonna have a heart attack. She sent me this pretty clean journal, and I done grunged it up and got stuff sticking here, out there, and yonder, and everywhere else. But I'm just loving it. Just loving it up. You hear me? Just loving it up. I hope you're having as good as time as I am. All right, y'all. I'll see you on the next go-round. Bye.
She's crafting her way the back 40 style, getting your craft on smile after smile, liking and loving it, or graveyarding it.